So we want to take a look at a few more examples of writing inequalities if I'm given a graph. The first thing I need to identify is my y-intercept. Where does it cross the y-axis? And that would be, for this example, at -1. The next thing I need to do is figure out my slope. Right? So I need to count. I went 1, 2, 3 up and 1 over. Right? So 3 over 1. And this line, if I put a person over here, is going uphill, so I know my slope is positive. Right? That's the same thing as just 3. The next thing I need to do is decide which inequality symbol am I going to use. Right? So since this is solid line, I know it's going to have the or equal to. I also know that it's shaded above that line, which means I have greater than or equal to. Right? My general form was that y equals mx plus b. So I just need to fill in for the m and the b. Y is greater than or equal to 3x minus 1. And what if I had a system of inequalities? What do I do with something like this one? Well, I have 2 inequalities that I have to write equations for. This first one here, that one is a horizontal line. It crosses through the y-axis at 2. Right? So quick review, y equals a number was a horizontal line, and x equals a number, right, was a vertical line. So I know this is a y equals, and it crosses the y-axis at 2. But the shading here is above that line. So y is greater than 2. Do I need the or equal to part? Well, it's a solid line, so I need the or equal to part. Is my first inequality. And then the second one. Right, this time it's a dashed line, so I'm not going to need the or equal to, but I need a lot more information. I need my b value, my m value. So where did I start on the y-axis? Right, the y-axis, I started at 3. So my b value is positive 3. And then my slope, if I go to the next couple points here, is going down 1 and to the right 2. So down 1 and to the right 2 would be -1/2. Right? Again, picture putting a person at the beginning or the left side of that line and make sure they'd be going downhill for us there. And then which way am I shading from that dashed line? Well, the shading is below the dashed line. So y is less than, right? It's not or equal to because it's a dashed line. And then I have the -1/2 x plus 3. Informative, right? It's going to ask you to type those in with a comma. And without any spaces. So that's my system of inequalities that was graphed. So now it is your turn to practice. Make sure you're asking if you have questions on these yet.